So hello everyone. In this video we are gonna see how to add Bootstrap in your Angular project. So let's go to our Visual Studio screen and from here ng bootstrap.github.io you can just copy this command to install the Bootstrap. Just copy it and just paste it here and just hit enter, but I have already installed it, so it will show me it is already installed, but I will show you once how it works. You just copy this command and hit enter. So here this will show me that package already installed because I've installed it already. So this is how you install Bootstrap in your files. So how you can check it is added or not? So let's go to package.json file and check in your dependencies. You can see here this portion ng bootstrap. So here it is added. So now let's create a new component and just add some bootstrap code there. So how we can generate the component? Ng generate for G, component for C, and the component name uh, like okay, first component name like first, okay, and just hit enter. So this will generate a component for us, and you can see it creates a component. So let's go to app.component.html. Oh, this is the uh, default. So just remove this and go to our this component. So I have already told you how to show the component to your web page. So just copy the selector from the component.ts file and copy it on the as a tag in your default HTML file and just save it. So now okay, my server is running. So now when you see it on a browser, you can see first works. So it means the first dot component this works. Okay, so now we add some bootstrap here and check if bootstrap is working or not. So let's go here and add something from here. Okay, so we add a nav bar from here. So just select and copy this one and paste it here. Just save it. Now after the copying this bootstrap code, let's see there in the browser if our bootstrap code is working or not. So you can see here it's working. Our nav bar is shown here. So this is how you can install your bootstrap in your project. Now after that, you know how to use the bootstrap. Everything is copy and paste. So I'm just copying a navbar here to show that bootstrap is working or not. So this is how you can add bootstrap to your Angular project.